Here are some tips and tricks to keep your Keurig Mini nice and clean. In the back, sometimes residual water will sit. I like to wipe it out with a paper towel and also leave the back door open for a few hours so it can dry properly. In the front, if you use 2 fingers at the very front, this little piece here does pop out. It allows you to rinse it properly and get out any drips and residual coffee grounds. Inside here, you may also notice with use that buildup and residue does accumulate. You can stick a little cloth in there to wipe it down. The very bottom that catches your drips, the cover comes off, you can wipe it clean, but it also slides out so you can wash it. But most importantly, it allows you to fit a travel mug underneath for the Keurig to brew with taller cups, travel mugs, and allows you to slide that coffee cup in. Look for part 3 of the Keurig Mini hacks coming soon of how you can use a Keurig reusable K-Cup with this machine.